Step 1. Eligibility requirements. To qualify for a security position in Ohio, you must be at least 18, be authorized to work in the U.S., have a valid government-issued photo ID, pass a BCI background check. In Ohio, there's no individual guard card or personal license. You're registered under your employer's PISGS license. That registration allows you to legally work for that company. Your employer is legally required to register you within 7 days of hire. Step 2. Complete any required training. Ohio doesn't have a statewide training hour requirement for unarmed guards. Training standards are set by your employer. If a company wants you to take a specific course, they'll arrange it before or during your first week. Step 3. Proof of completion. If your employer provides in-house training, they'll hold your record on file. Unarmed security guards in Ohio do not take a state exam. All links are in the video description. Step 4. Complete your BCI background check. You'll use WebCheck, Ohio's official fingerprinting system. Bring valid ID and make sure results are sent directly to PISGS. Typical cost is $35 to $50 depending on the vendor. Step 5. Registration submission. As an employee, you don't apply directly. Your employer submits your registration through the PISGS online portal using your photo, fingerprints, and background check results. They must register you within 7 days of hire. Step 6. Let's break down the cost. Fingerprinting is $35 to $50. Registration is via employer and usually covered by your company. The estimated personal cost is $50 or less. And for perspective, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median hourly wage for security guards in Ohio is $17.40 an hour or $36,180 a year. Step 7. Once your employer submits your registration and background check, PISGS reviews and approves it. After approval, a state-issued PISGS registration card is mailed to your employer. They'll give it to you once received. This card confirms you're registered under their license, but it's not transferable. Step 8. Renewals are handled entirely by your employer. When the company renews its PISGS license each year, all active registered employees renew along with it. You don't need to reapply or pay anything as long as you stay employed. Step 9. Now that your registration is active, you're cleared to start working with your employer. If you ever change jobs, remember your new company must register you again before you can start. You can search job boards like Indeed. If you need help, check my Beacons page for free tools and my Etsy store for premium items. Join r/guard guides to connect with other guards and share tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.